Hi, welcome to Brett's Box Breaks. Today is Friday, October 11th, and here's the time on my cell phone to show it uses a timestamp. You can see it. Sorry for the glare. Alright. Tonight we'll be opening or breaking a box of 2013 Topps Chrome Baseball Hobby Box. As you can see, the box is sealed in the Topps manufacturer wrap. And here is the serial number that I posted earlier on my live stream account as well, if you would like to verify that. And tonight we had a total of 10 teams that were sold, and the others that were not bought, I will keep the card for myself. Here are the eBay winners and the teams they won. We have SPC Cooper 82 for the Reds, Rockies, Mets, and Rays. Tuba Cool for the Tigers. DeMello 5416 for the Red Sox. Marlins Guy 1 for the Marlins. Teacher Jules for the Yankees. Magman Peyton for the Cardinals. And Julio G. 909 for the Dodgers. Alright, let's get started. Alright. In these Topps Chrome boxes, it is 2 autographs per box, which is pretty nice. And there's 4 cards per pack, with a total of 24 packs. Alright. First pack. We have R.A. Dickey for the Blue Jays. Starling Castro base for the Cubs. And a Carlos Martinez for the Cardinals. Autograph card, our first hit in the box. Just a base auto rookie card in blue ink. And I do not think it's numbered. Yep, it's not numbered. Still a great card. And this card will go to Magman Peyton. Congrats on that nice hit. Last card of the pack is David Wright for the Mets, which will go to SPC Cooper 82. Alright, let me put this auto in a holder real quick. Alright. Pack number 2. We have Jeurys Familia, I think I pronounced that right, for the New York Mets, rookie card. We have a Troy Tulowitzki for the Colorado Rockies. A Joey Votto for the Cincinnati Reds. And Curtis Granderson for the Yanks, which will go to Teacher Jules. Alright, pack number 3. Alright, we have a Mike Trout rookie card for the Angels. Nice rookie card. A Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers, which goes to Julio G. 909. Billy Butler for the Kansas City Royals, and Ben Zobrist for the Tampa Bay Rays. Alright, next pack. We have Brad Ziegler for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Base card. Jonathan Papelson for the Phillies. Cole Hamels for the it's a Cole Hamels refractor card for the Phillies. Let me put that in a card sleeve real quick. Alright. We have a David Freese for the Cardinals. And a, let's see, we already went through those. Next pack. We have starting off with a Will Middlebrooks for the Red Sox. Cliff Lee for the Phillies. And a die cut Adam Wainwright. Dynamic skill card insert. Nice looking card for the Cardinals. And then we have a Tony Cingrani for the Reds. Ooh, we have a blue die cut here, I believe. We have a Michael Bourne for the Indians. And a nice Matt Kemp insert. Blue for the Dodgers. This is the Close Connection insert series. Has a nice look to it. And next we have a Jackie Bradley Jr. for the Red Sox. And a Mike Olt for the Texas Rangers. On to the next pack. Alright, we have a Josh Rutledge for the Rockies. A Chris Johnson for the Braves. A Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. A Dominic Brown for the Phillies. All base in that pack. Next we have a Jason Hayward for the Braves. A Jesus Montero for the Mariners. And a Bryce Harper insert. 1972. It's got the 1972 set style to it. And this will go to the Nationals. And we have a Brett Lowry for the Blue Jays. That's all for that pack. Alright, next pack. A Zach Greinke for the Dodgers. And nice. We have a Ryan Braun for the Milwaukee Brewers. Looks like it's a gold card, and it is serial numbered number 21 out of 50. You can see that close enough. It's a Ryan Braun gold insert, gold refractor. Alright, next we have a Lucas Duda for the Mets, and a Justin Morneau for the Twins. Alright. We have a Shin Soo Cho for the Reds, a Alex Wood for the Braves, a Todd Frazier for the Reds, and it is a refractor, which will go to SPC Cooper 82. And we have a James Shields for the Tampa Bay Rays. Let me slide this refractor into a sleeve real quick. Alright, next pack. We have a Matt Holliday for the Cardinals, a Brandon Maurer for the Mariners, and it is a rookie card, and a Justin Wilson rookie card refractor for the Pirates. And a Mike Napoli for the Boston Red Sox. Alright, that's all for that pack. Alright, we'll start off this pack with Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. And a next card will be for the Padres, a Chase Headley. And not numbered, but it's still insert. I'll have to look up what the exact name of this particular insert is later. And we have a Casey Kelly rookie card for the Padres, and a Ricky Weeks for the Brewers. Okay, on to the next pack. We start off with a card for the Mariners of Nick Franklin, rookie card, and a next one is for the Blue Jays, Edwin Encarnacion. The insert refractor, and a Jonathan Pettibone for the Phillies, and a Jason Kipnis for the Indians. Alright. We're over halfway through the box so far, and we've got our one hit only so far. Next, we'll start with Albert Pujols for the Angels, base card. Then an Aaron Hicks rookie card for the Twins. And then a Starlin Castro base card for the Cubs. Sorry about a refractor actually for the Cubs. And a Edney Echeverria for the Miami Marlins. So all for that pack. I'm go ahead and take all the packs out of here real quick. Need some more space here on the table. Alright. So we'll be starting off with a Josh Hamilton for the Angels. A Derek Jeter. And it looks like we have a redemption coming up. But this card is the Derek Jeter for the Yankees. And the redemption is for Oswaldo Arcia. And let me look this up real quick. And the insert redemption card, I mean the redemption card, will go to the Twins. I had to double check. Sorry about that. I want to make sure I told you the right team. And there's a auto rookie variation refractor parallel. Nice hit there. That's our second hit of the box. All right, let's move on. Finish up these packs. We have a Andre Ether for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Jonathan Neese for the Mets. A Manny Machado 1972 Topps insert. Nice card. For the Orioles. And a Puig rookie base card for the Dodgers. Nice hit there. Let me put the Puig in a cover real quick. And in a top loader. Alright, next pack. We have a Mike Kickham for the Giants. Ooh, a nice David Wright for the Mets. Looks like and it's numbered. You can see it, 44 out of 75. Sorry. And it looks like it's a refractor as well. And black and white. Nice hit for the Mets. Alright. Next we have Jose Altuve for the Astros. And a Johnny Cueto for the Reds. We'll start off this pack with a Bruce Rondon for the Detroit Tigers, which goes to Tuba Cool. Next we have a Adam Warren for the New York Yankees. And a Adam Eaton rookie refractor for the Diamondbacks. And a Buster Posey base for the Giants. Only a few more packs left. We have a Justin Verlander for the Tigers, a Jurickson Profar for the Rangers, refractor, and a Paul Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks, and a Ryu for the Dodgers, rookie card. All right. We have a Starlin Marte for the Pirates, a R.A. Dickey for the Blue Jays, a Kevin Youkilis for the Yankees, and a Donald Lutz for the Reds. All right. We have a Carlos Santana for the Indians, and a Steven Strasburg close connection insert for the Washington Nationals. That's a nice card. And a JP Arinsabia for the Blue Jays. So yeah, I don't know if I pronounced that right or not. And a Matt Harvey for the Mets. Just 3 packs left. We have a Jake Peavy for the White Sox, a Paul Konerko for the White Sox, a Fernando Rooney for the Rays, and a Melky Cabrera for the Jays. Next, we have a Ryan Vogelsong for the Giants, and a Ricky Nolasco for the Marlins, a Jed Gierko rookie card refractor, I believe, yes, refractor, and a Josh Reddick for the Oakland A's refractor. All right, last pack of the box. We have a Angel Pagan for the Giants, a Mark Trumbo refractor for the Angels, a Alan Webster for the Red Sox base card, and a Shane Victorino for the Red Sox as well. All right, that concludes our break of the 2013 Topps Chrome single hobby box break. I will have the recording YouTube link posted on my live stream page shortly after this live screening. So if you are unable to attend this live screening, you'll be able to still see the break. Also, let's go over the recap of our 2 main hits, which are Carlos Martinez autograph base rookie for the St. Louis Cardinals, and a online redemption card for an auto rookie variation refractor parallel of Oswaldo Arcia for the Twins. As well as a David Wright for the Mets, numbered to 44 out of 75, refractor in black and white. As well as a Matt Kemp for the Dodgers, close connection. And a gold Ryan Braun refractor, numbered out of 21 out of only 50. As well as a Steven Strasburg close connection insert as well. Red. Nice looking card. Alright. I appreciate you joining my break tonight. I hope you'll join my next one in the future. Just to keep an eye out on my eBay page, which is T206 Card Collector 1909-11 is my eBay user ID. And I will hopefully have another couple boxes to break in the future. Just save me as on your favorite seller list, so you'll be able to keep up, as well as follow my live stream page. Thank you and have a great weekend.